Quick glimpse at the 36 horsepower 6-volt motor that's going in the ragtop bug. There's the hood and deck lid over there jammed out, ready to go. So it's going to be going together here pretty quickly. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick look at this thing. I'm going to slide this thing in here probably Monday and fire this thing up, make sure it's working all right. We went ahead and got the rebuild kit for the fuel pump. Chris went through that thing. They're pretty complicated, so if you're going to do one of these rebuilds, it takes a while to do, and it's a lot of pieces in there, a lot more than you think. And then checked out the distributor. The distributor is okay. Points even look original. Probably we're going to run those because they're probably better quality than the ones I can get today anyway. So we'll run the point set that's in it, and got the carburetor rebuilt. Got the choke cable, so it's going to have the dash choke on it, which is really kind of cool, old school style, like a lawnmower. And look at all the fuel lines are all here, original. It has we have the proper spring for that, original spring. The reproduction ones are too stiff, by the way, so try and find original ones. Has the vacuum lines, which these are often missing, hard to find. You notice that it has a brace. It's weird why they put them on the early car, but it's like when they got newer, they didn't put the brace on there. So, you know, that was actually built really sturdy back in those days when they didn't care much about horsepower, but they did about strength. So they built a tough little car. So that's a good old 36 horse. Haven't driven one of these since I was probably 20 years old, so I usually took them out, but I'm putting them back in now. So I know it's not going to be very fun. It's not going to go more than about 65 or 70. 70 is like on a straight run, you just slam your foot on the floor and drive it on the freeway. That's pretty much how you drive a 36 horse. That's what I remember. And well, I remember it would actually over rev itself sometimes. I'd let it off. You'd be on the floor for so long, you'd kind of forget, and then all of a sudden you go, "Oh, I'm going 75. It's going a little too much RPM for that motor." Let off the gas a little bit. Anyway, got some cool stuff for the exhaust coming, and hopefully it works out. It's got the original squeaker pipes on it. One of them's got a little crack right here. See, we had to weld up this thing here. So I had some stainless tubing. We went ahead and made that out of stainless since I had it. Well, it's the exhaust here. Other than that, the exhaust looks pretty solid. There's not much for leakage there, so. But it's still going to take some work. It looks like this thing was bumped, tweaked over. It was tweaked, so then that cracked the exhaust. So it's probably got plenty of metal there. All right, so anyway, that's the 36 horse. That's it for that. Stay subscribed. There's going to be some really bitchin' stuff coming up on this 60 ragtop. It's pretty exciting because it is very different.